Hey everybody, happy Sunday. It's Deb here. I hope everyone is well and had a good week. I thought I would come on and show a few items that came in since the last video that I received from AliExpress. I also want to give a shout out to Lori Monahan. I hope I pronounced that correctly. New subscriber, thank you so much for commenting on my last video and for subscribing to my channel. I'd like to give a shout out to all the subscribers, but I don't know how to really look them up on YouTube. If anyone can tell me how to do that, I would really appreciate it. So first, a couple of items I got from AliExpress. I received this trim, applique trim. Not sure if that's showing up well enough. Very pretty hearts with a little pearl in the center of the bow. And I ordered about a yard, and you get 17 appliques in the yard. And what I use these for is I have made these little paper bag journals. And Creative Cafe Girl on YouTube gives a really good tutorial on how to do these. So I pretty much scrap lifted the tutorial from her channel. And these are adorable. And what I do is I coffee dye the hearts, the appliques, and I put one on the back. And real quick, it's a seam binding closure. I got this image off of eBay. Inserted a little tag here. Actually, it's a little book. This book belongs to a little scrap paper and a little vintage lace on the side. And this little tuck spot with another little tag. A little glassine bag. I love that image. And some ledger paper. Another little tuck spot. I forget what I put in here. This is a little coffee dyed booklet, a little doily, a little spot where you can tuck things in there. This is a little cluster here. This comes out, a little pocket. Lace, I believe that came from Hobby Lobby. Plenty of place for journaling. A little dictionary page. All the pages are coffee dyed. Little tuck spot. A little envelope. The back side of the doily. Another little tuck spot. Here's the back. So go to, if you want to know how to make these, go to Creative Cafe Girl's channel, and I'll try to link that video below for you. The other item I received from AliExpress is this really beautiful rhinestone trim. I believe it's 2.5 millimeter, smaller than I expected. I really have to brush up on my metric system. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for. I hope it's showing up really pretty. I hope it's showing up on the video. Again, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. I saw it. It looked pretty. And boom, you know how that goes, into the cart and into the stash. So the reason why I really came on to do the video is to show you some seam binding that I received from MyScrapCabinShop on Etsy. And I am really, really pleased with my order there. I have tried to dye my own seam binding, and it comes out okay. I did this with Tim Holtz Red Barn Distress ink, and I was hoping for a red, a deep red, and what I got was a flamingo pink, which is good. I can use on some shabby projects, but it definitely is not what I was looking for. So I want to show you how this came, because this lady, Erin, who runs the shop, she has an eye for detail. And it's the little things that really, really matter. It came in this really pretty envelope with the roses, and what I liked was that it matches, I mean, the whole package is just so coordinated. She gives a little thank you, handwritten, personalized thank you note. And I ordered this on, it was late at night. It was on, let me see, January 13th. The very next morning, I received an email that is shipped, and I got it January 16th, yesterday. I know people don't like the crinkling, but I wanted to show you how it came in the package. Let me real quick open this up. I'll take it out so I can spare everyone the crinkling. I do apologize for that. Okay, so what I ordered, this came in a bundle, and I was really interested in a Christmas red, a deep rich red, and a Christmas green. So this was offered as a bundle, and I thought, hey, why not? I can always use extra colors. But the red is beautiful. I believe this is, yes, she has labeled them. This is ruby red. And it is really, really beautiful. And it's crinkled. So, quite an improvement from my red. And this color is light parasol. And it's kind of a light peach. Very pretty. And this color is jade. Again, this is a nice Christmas. I can use this in a Christmas journal. Beautiful, vibrant green. This color is Clipper. It's kind of a bluish gray. Again, it's pretty. Probably could use that on a winter journal, or even a summery beach type cards or journal. So those two came in the bundle. And then I ordered separately this color, Glory, which is a real beautiful royal blue. And I know I cannot get that richness with my inks. These all are 5-yard lengths, very reasonably priced. And then I also ordered Olive, which will go well in some spring tags and cards that I have planned. Really gorgeous. Now also what she does is she includes, besides a personalized thank you, she included an extra thank you amount of seam binding. This color is Lagoon, and it is a deep, it's not peacock color, it's a deep greenish blue. It's gorgeous. I think of mermaids when I think of this color, mermaids in the sea. So those are my quick orders I wanted to show. I hope everyone has a great week coming up, and thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day. Bye.